Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the earthing? Earthing and grounding is what? It is the process of transferring the immediate discharge of electricity directly to the earth plate by means of low resistance electrical cable or wire. Generally, we are using the plate earthing and pipe earthing. That's why we can transfer that electricity and high surge to the earth to the earth via using earthing plate. What will happen and why? What is the importance of that earthing? So whenever we just used earthing with the connection of electricity, there are some advantages and benefits. For example, overload protection means if your motor is overloaded, then at the same time there is the possibility of failure of insulation, which may creates the uh, leakage current, which will flow to the ground via using that earthing plate. So the overload protection is the benefit of your earthing provides the protection to the overload condition. Next is the voltage stabilization. Voltage stabilization means normally MSAB supply for single phase voltage is generally 230 volt, but it is not possible or always it is not 230. Sometimes there is the sag or swell in the power system. Sag and swell means there is a sudden charge of electricity, or say there is a sudden discharge of electricity due to the charging of capacitor, also due to the lightning surges, etc. That causes the voltage instability. Instability means your 230 single phase voltage may be dropped to the 100 volt, or it may be rise up to the 300 volt. So with the use of that with the use of earthing, what happened when it comes to calculating right amount of power to be distributed between the voltage source, the earth provides the universal standard point of the reference. What is the purpose of earthing? Earthing provides the standard reference. Also, earthing take the guesswork of the voltage stabilization, helping to ensure that there is a no overload and blow up. Means again, it provides the reference also, and whenever there is a sag and swell, it provides the, or it ensures to help the circuit overload condition. Next one is the damage, injury, and death prevention. What is damage, injury, and death prevention? If there is a no earthing connection, then what happens? The current starts flowing through the higher potential to the lower potential, and that's why it may damage the equipment also, or there is a death. There is a severity of shock. That's why death can be occur. So with the use of earthing, we can reduce that. Now, common types of earthing. First one is your plate earthing, and second one is pipe earthing. What is the difference between plate earthing and pipe earthing? Generally, in the plate earthing, what happens? The plate earthing component used as a electrical wire, rod, pipe, plate, and conductor that is made up of the copper, again cast iron or galvanized iron. This type of electrical material is generally used. Copper or iron plate that is fit that is you put it inside in the earth pit, also with the bolt placed vertically and layer of salt and charcoal up to certain level from the bottom of pit. Generally one plate of copper or one plate of iron can be used for the plate earthing. Next is the reliability pipe earthing. Why we are using, or why we are turned to the pipe earthing? Because of its reliability, durability, and its handling. Pipe type earthing is often used in home, also in office electrical installation. Generally, plate earthing is used for the small scale application, but the pipe earthing is used for the large scale application. Normally, it is used also for the home and electrical installation, like in a domestic application also. So there is again same type of material we are using. For example, pipes, the length of which is depend upon the soil type and moisture content as well as the current to be carried. Means which type of pipe and what is the depth of that pipe, which type of material we have to use, that is dependent upon the application. For example, you are using that pipe or earthing structure for the domestic application, then you can use the different structure. Okay, so this is about the pipe earthing and plate earthing. Now there is the Okay, again screen is visible. There is a diagram of pipe earthing, how the pipe earthing is installed. This is the diagram for pipe earthing. What is there? There is a use of pipe. Also, what is the depth? How we can used, that is given in there. Next one is your plate earthing. Okay, this is the plate earthing. What is the structure? This is the actually your cross view and this is your top view. What is given that top view means this is the ground level. After the ground level there is a one small charcoal and salt container type of shape, and after that we are using the plate earthing. Okay, I think in application point of view the plate earthing and pipe earthing is important for the syllabus.